Good morning, Paramount Brookside. Today is Wednesday. It's September 16th, 2020, and I'm Mr. Goldblatt. Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. This week, our middle school blue students are on campus. Our middle school green students are enjoying a week of e-learning. Lunch today will be a calzone that will be served with some steamed peas and assorted fruit. A salad should be available as an alternative. Taking a look at today's weather forecast, we should have a little bit warmer air today. Expect mostly sunny skies and a high of around 83 degrees. We'll likely be having outdoor recess. And now it's time for today's Wednesday special Science Break.
Now it's time for today's Science Break. I'm Leon Ward. How do people recognize faces? It's a special ability that relies on custom circuitry on the human brain. Or do we learn it with the same brain circuitry that we use to recognize other objects? One way whether to tell humans have a special ability is to test whether other animals can do it too. Sheep, dogs, cows, and horses can all learn to distinguish human faces. In 2016, a team of scientists reported that fish can learn to do it too. In order to tell whether fish can distinguish human faces, the scientists used a special ability of the archerfish. Archerfish live in swamps and squirt water at insects perched upon the plants above the water surface. It knocks them into the water so they can eat them. Researchers taught the fish to squirt out pictures of human faces instead for a food reward. The fish could pick out a familiar face to squirt at from among as many 44 unfamiliar ones and got it right 80% of the time. For today's Science Break, I'm Leon Warren.
Thank you for that. If a paperwork request was sent home with you earlier this week, make sure to turn it in as soon as possible. Any student who turns in their completed forms with all the attached information by the end of today will receive a free dress down day this Friday. And students, as you engage with the world and those around you today, remember that it is in your moments of decision that your destiny is shaped. Make it a great day, Paramount.